Welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this butterfly square. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a slip knot, and once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in the second chain from your hook, you do not count the one that's on your hook. You count from here 1 and 2. In the second chain, you work 1 single crochet. One single crochet in the next stitch, that's 2. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, that's 3. 4 and 5. So now you have 5 single crochets. Now we're going to start the first row. You chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work. Now in the second single crochet, you skip the first one. In the second single crochet, you need to work 2 double triple crochets. Now to work a double treble crochet, you chain over 3 times. You insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So that's our first double treble crochet. We will work one more. Yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook into the same stitch. Pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again 2 loops and then last 2 loops. Now you chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Now after you complete your slip stitch, you chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the next stitch, you need to work 3 double triple crochets. So yarn over 3 times, going to the next stitch here. This is the first one. In the same stitch, you work 3 double triple crochets. This is 2 and this is the third one. Now you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In the corner stitch right here where you have your turn, the turn stitch, right into that you work a slip stitch right in the corner stitch. After you work your slip stitch, you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you're going to work in the same stitches on the opposite side. So where you have your 3 double triple crochets, right in the opposite stitch of it, you're going to work 3 again. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 4. In the next stitch, you work a slip stitch. Chain 4. Now in the next stitch, you work 2 double triple crochets. That's 1 and that's 2. Now you chain 4, and in the corner stitch right here where you started your chain, right into that stitch, you work a slip stitch. And now you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. And now you work in your loose ends. Now we'll attach the next color. Now you need to attach it in this stitch on this side, the first double triple crochet right here. In that stitch you attach your color and you need to chain 2, 1 and 2. Now in the next stitch you work 1 single crochet, in the next stitch 1 single crochet, now you chain 3, and in the first chain here you have a chain of 6. In the first chain you work 1 single crochet, in the next stitch you work a half double crochet. Now to work a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. That's your half double crochet. In the next stitch you work a single crochet. Now in the center right here you need to work a triple crochet. For that you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the center stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Chain 1, you work another triple crochet in the same stitch, Now you need to skip 3 chains here. It's 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, you work a single crochet. In the next one, you work a half double crochet. And in the next one, you work a single crochet. After the single crochet, you chain 3. In the next stitch, you work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, you work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, you need to work 1 half double crochet. Now you chain 2. Now in the next chain here, right on top, in the fourth chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, you work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, you work a half double crochet. And in the next stitch, you work 1 double crochet. Now you chain 3. In the same stitch, you work 1 double crochet. Now you have your chain space here. In the first chain, you work a half double crochet. And in the next chain, you work 1 double crochet. After you work your double crochet, you chain 3. Now in the next chain here, in the third chain, 1, 2, 3, right into that you work 1 double crochet. In the next chain, you work a half double crochet. Now in the next stitch right here, you work 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, you work a half double crochet, and now you have your chain. In the first chain, you work a double crochet. And now you chain 2, and you need to work a slip stitch in the stitch that you started this row with. You started it with chain 2. In the second stitch, you work a slip stitch. Now we'll start the next row. We start with chain 2. This will be counted as the first double crochet of this row. In the next stitch, you work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the chain space, you work 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets in the same space. Now you work 1 double crochet in each stitch of this row. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 in the chain space, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we've reached the chain space here. Right into that you work 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets in the same chain space. Now on this side you need to work 1 double crochet in the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets in the chain space. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now in the corner space you work 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets in the same space. Again on this side you work 1 double crochet each in these 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets in the chain space. 1, 2, and 3, and 1 double crochet in these 3 stitches in each of them. 1, 2, and 3. Now in the corner chain space you work 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets in the same space. Now we have the last side remaining, just some stitches here. Now you work 1 double crochet in each of these 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. In the chain space you work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And now you need to work a slip stitch into the first chain 2 that you started this row with. In the second chain you work a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. You've completed working the butterfly square. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.